Have you inherited a house that's in probate and not sure what to expect? I'm here to give you some insight as to what probate is and what you can expect and why your home is in probate. Hi, my name is Tracey Pines with Real Estate Solutions, and I've been in real estate for over 20 years. This kind of thing can add stress, so let's alleviate that. What is probate? It is a legal process that is required to sell a property that is in the deceased person's name. When in probate, the court gets involved at various levels depending on the situation. A person is assigned to administer the estate, which may very well be you if you are watching this video. And the person is called the personal representative, or PR for short. You can also expect there to be an estate attorney to help with this legal process. And know that there are some substantial fees associated with completing a probate procedure. One of the biggest reasons an estate goes into probate as far as real property goes is the way the title was held. The best thing to do to avoid going into probate occurs before the owner passes. By working with an estate attorney, you can avoid probate by putting your assets, including real property, such as a home, into a trust. A common misconception about probate is that people think that a will keeps property out of probate. That is not true. The will does allow the deceased person to determine such things as who receives what, as well as who will be the executor of the will. This is much better than trying to sell the property intestate or without a will. If there is not a will, the state determines the intestate succession. In other words, who receives the property that is left behind. If you find yourself involved with a probate, there are many resources available to help direct and smooth the way. We're equipped to help answer many of your questions, as well as become your resource to connect you with other vendors and services you may need along the way. Continue to watch other videos in my probate series for more detailed information. Also, be sure to seek the advice of a lawyer or an attorney, as I am not one, but just giving helpful information. I'm Tracey Pines with Real Estate Solutions, and as always, bringing buyers and sellers together.